and welcome to my today's presentation in this beautiful morning for those who don't know me. My name is Roshni Yadav. By profession, I am a teacher in Adir School. First of all, I would like to thank to Mr. Prabhakar sir for providing me this opportunity to speak among you. Now, dear viewers, today I am going to give presentation on a very important topic, that is analytical skill. This topic is need of today's job industries, whether you go for government job or private job, whether for civil services competition, IIT, NEET kind of professional competition. First of all, I would like to elaborate analytical skill refer to an individual ability to identify a problem, investigate the problem to find out relevant fact with a logical solution. In other words, we can say that the analytical skill are the ability to collect information and to thoroughly analyze that information. They refer to problem solving skill and making a decision based on insight drawn from the collected information. Now, dear viewers, I am going to talk about types of analytical skill. There are mainly 5 types of analytical skill. First one is communication, second one is creativity, third one is critical thinking, fourth one is data analysis, and fifth one is research. Friends, let's begin from the first one, that is communication. Friends, finding from the analysis may need to be presented only through a presentation or a meeting. The analysis may be written from the either through a report or email. Therefore, communication skill are a critically important skill when developing overall analytical skill. Now, dear viewers, I am going to second type of analytical skill, that is creativity. Creativity is the ability to think creatively. Many problems require out of the box thinking in order to optimal solution. The obvious solution may not always be the most effective, and therefore it is important of creative solution. The next one, third analytical skill is critical thinking. Critical thinking is exceptionally important to obtaining strong overall analytical skill. It refers to objective analysis of a complex problem to form a judgment. Friends, effective critical thinkers are able to think clearly and rationally understand the logical solution between data points and ideas. Critical thinking is very important skill to master. Now, dear viewers, the next one analytical skill is data analysis. Data analysis is very important in all disciplines, specifically the ability to analyze large value of data, identify patterns and trends. Therefore, it is increasingly vital to understand the optimal solution. Now, dear viewers, the fifth analytical skill is research. Research requires collecting information and relevant data, then compiling it before analyzing it. Collecting data and thoroughly researching a topic is important for being able to apply strong analytical skill. Viewers, analytical skill are ability to think. They allow people to find solution of a critical thinking with a